Hello, hi. So today it's Saturday. It's already Saturday night. Um, I went out today with my friend picnic, but I'll show you guys. You'll see everything that we got up to. And yeah, I got some makeup things. Picnic helped me to buy a few things. This cushion from this shop, tiri tiri. That's what we called it throughout the day. And we also went for some pop-up shops and everything. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got. I just cooked and I don't feel like eating. So the food that I cooked, I'll eat it tomorrow, right? So it will be dinner or lunch for tomorrow or something, because we had a really big meal, picnic and I. So I'm not gonna have dinner. Maybe I'll just snack on something, but it won't be anything really big because I don't feel hungry like that. So yeah, it was a really beautiful day. It's always nice when I'm with her. Like she's just so cool. Picnic is so cool, guys. She's one of the funniest people that I know. And yeah, I love spending time with her. And she's such a girly girl. Like, so I told her that I want some makeup things like foundation and everything. So I knew that we were in Songsu. So I know that Songsu has the Tiri shop. So it's TIR. So yeah, she really helped me find my shade. She was so patient. And yeah, we did it all together. And I also bought a lip gloss tint, something like that. So you can see my lips are still tinted because I was trying it out in the shop and I really loved it. She really helped me like pick the best one. And yeah, I'll show you guys what I got from the pop-up store to the makeup and everything. So today's vlog won't be long because it's just like spend the weekend with me. So it will be Saturday and Sunday, but it's so cold. It's so cold. But yeah, we'll try to make it work.
I'll take you anywhere. Just tell me I'll be there. We don't need a plan. I like it unprepared. Whatever comes our way, we'll stay there for the day. So dream away. So dream away. Clear up my vision. I want colors to find. Turned up from black and white. Find what I'm seeking. Leave my troubles behind. Scars from another time. We're leaving now.
That's a cute earring. And face mist.
You have to date yourself.
I have to date myself
I
because
love you.
I love
I love you. I will miss you. I miss you so much.
Whatever comes our way, we'll stay there for the day. So dream
So we went to Ingredients pop-up store in Seoul, and we got those free bags and also a lotion inside, a calming lotion. I'll show you guys. I bought two foundation cushions. The first one is macchiato and the other one is beige toast. I think that's the correct one. And also the lotion that we got for free at Ingredients pop-up shop. And we also got some free samples from the Tiri shop. I love like this tiny samples because they are travel friendly. You can use them if you're flying or whatever. And Picnic got me this eyeshadow palette. Love it. I'm yet to try it. So here, let me try these foundations that I got. So the first one that I'm going to try is beige toast. I'm going to try, no, it's macchiato. I'm going to try macchiato first, which I think it's my best shade. It's my shade, this one. So let's try it out and see. The packaging is really good, no spillage, nothing, and it's so small it will fit in any type of like handbag. So this is the macchiato. The coverage is, yeah, it's good. I'm yet to try it during the day because I've only tried it at night, and I'm not entirely sure how it looks during the day. But then so far, I think I love macchiato more. It's more of my shade.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump on jealousy, my bad. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud?
So this side is macchiato or macchiato. I don't know how to pronounce this. Yeah, this one, and this side is French beige. So for me, honestly, in the shop, I took both of them because I couldn't really see the difference. But I think like the French beige is more lighter, and the macchiato thing is, it blends well with my skin, like that's my color. But then I just wanted to take both of them. I'm like, I don't know, because I was just a bit confused. So yeah, that's why I took both of them. But this shade is more my skin. This one is just a bit lighter, but it's still okay. And this is the lip thing that I bought as well, the lip tint. I love it. The color is number 15, grape something. And Picnic also bought me like eyeshadow palette. I love it so much, but I'm not gonna apply it. Already I have eyeshadows on So I'm not gonna do that because I still have to take a shower. I can't take a shower, wash my face, apply this, and no. Today is Sunday, and yeah, I just took a shower. I look, I think I look good. And when I'm just spending the day at home, I usually just use a body spray, like from Body College. This is actually my favorite body mist, body spray, whatever. The funny thing is, it's so hard to get like other fragrances. I also loved the watermelon and cucumber scent, but I only found it once in South Africa. And the second time I went, I kept finding this one. It's not bad, but I'm still on the lookout for that cucumber one. It has this refreshing thing about it. You just feel like you're so fresh and stuff. So yeah. Now I'm doing laundry, so the machine is making a lot of noise. So now I'm going to make lunch. Literally, I'm just going to eat what I cooked last night because you remember I cooked, but I didn't eat. So I'm going to eat what I made last night. So I also forgot today I want to go to H&M because I have some clothes that I don't wear anymore. So I'm going to take them to H&M and in exchange for a coupon, because I went last time to ask if I can bring like clothes for recycling, and that guy said yes, I can come. So I hope they give me a coupon because I'm not giving out my clothes for free. Okay, so yeah, I hope I get the coupon. So later on today I'm gonna go to Starfield and exchange those clothes, and when I get a coupon I think I'll buy gym wear because I really love H&M active wear. It's so good, the quality is so good. So I'll just see what I'll get if they give me the coupon. So yeah, let's eat lunch. It's really late. Yeah, it's lunch now, not even brunch, because I think it's 1 or 12. So I'm having lunch. Let's go eat. So these are the clothes. Yeah, these are all my old clothes. I'm taking them to H&M now, and I hope I don't have any issues. Honestly, I just want to do a quick in and out and come back home. So yeah, let's go. I recycled the clothes at H&M, and they gave me 10,000 won voucher or coupon. I feel like it's a scam, but it's better than nothing, right? Because I can use that voucher to get something else in the shop. Oh yeah, it'll help me one day. So yeah, I'm done with